Hello guys! So nandito tayo ngayon sa taxi. Papunta tayo na NAIA Terminal 3 at tayo ay lilipad patungong Athens, Greece via Etihad Airways. So let's go guys to NAIA Terminal 3. Hindi tayo gaano excited, no? Voice over muna tayo. NAIA Terminal 3 at tayo ay lilipad na patungong Balkans sa Europe via Expat Explorer. So yan guys, welcome to my Doc Marty travel vlog in Balkans, Europe. So additional 10 countries tayo ngayon guys. Ang ating sasakyang aeroplano po, aeroplano talaga eh. Ang airlines natin is Etihad Airlines via Abu Dhabi. So may layover tayo sa Abu Dhabi. So nakuha natin ito for 49,000 pesos with 30 kilos baggage allowance. Hello guys, so nandito tayo sa NAIA Terminal 3 at pupunta na tayo ng Europe. Ito ang ating Travel Balkans via Expat Explore. We go to 10 countries. 10 countries to, diba? So, nakailang countries na tayo? 27 to 36 countries po. Yan. So, ang ating flight is 7 p.m. So, maaga tayo kasi nga, tawag dito? Baka uulan. So, nandito na tayo sa airport and it's 1:30 p.m. na. Yan. So, magantay tayo ng tawag dito? Opening ng ating airlines, Etihad tayo. Via Etihad, Abu Dhabi. Yan. Ayan guys, naka-check-in na ang ating baggage. Papunta na tayo ng immigration. Guys, so punta tayo ng airline lounge na. At nakapag-immigration na tayo. Smooth naman at wala pang 10 minutes. Yan. Nandito tayo sa Marhaba Lounge dito sa NAIA Terminal 3 at kakain mo tayo ng dinner at magpapahinga tayo ng saglit before flight. Guys, kagagaling natin ng Marhaba, so tumambay tayo. Yan, punta na tayo sa ating check-in area. Check-in boarding gate na pala tayo ngayon. Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3 at tayo ay pupunta ng Balkans. It's my solo travel ngayong 2025. So, abangan nyo ang aking Balkans travel. Start tayo with the Greece. So, hopefully maganda ang ating trip. Hindi umuulan. At pagdating natin, meron daw strike. Not air strike, it's transport strike. Pero hopefully okay naman. So, yan guys. See you guys in Greece. In Athens, Greece later. Hello guys, ito sasakyan natin. Ito ang Etihad Airlines triple Boeing 777. Ito ay connecting flight natin via Abu Dhabi to Athens, Greece. Ito guys, boarding na tayo. Let's go! Hello guys, so we are heading now sa Abu Dhabi. Connecting flight natin papuntang Athens, Greece. So it's 6:30 p.m. na 7 o'clock ang ating flight. Yan guys, see you guys. So nandito tayo Etihad, papuntang Abu Dhabi at connecting flight sa Athens. Yan. $38K pala, window seat ang ating seat. So, ito po ang ating seat dito sa Boeing 777 ng Etihad Airlines. So, papuntang Abu Dhabi. So, ito ang ating freebies. So, meron tayong socks, medyas yan, may toothbrush, may bag, boot bag actually, yung tote bag yan. So, ito guys, ang kanilang upuan. So, may shampoo ba yan? Hindi, toothbrush. So, malawag din ang leg room. So, dito sa economy class. So ito ang kanilang movie screen dito sa economy class cabin ng Etihad Airlines. So may mga movies dyan. So sort out na kayo kung anong gusto nyo panoorin. May games din. So para hindi kayo maboring sa 8 hours flight natin papuntang Manila to Abu Dhabi, then Abu Dhabi to Athens, Greece. Yan guys. So mamili na lang kayo dyan kung anong gusto nyo i-watch para hindi kayo maboring. May charging port din dito guys, and then maluwag ang leg room yan. So mayroon tayong save space for paa. So pwede nating unat-unat yan. May mga magazine din. Yan. So maluwang din naman ang economy class cabin ng Etihad Airlines. Yan guys. So ito guys, may kasama din tayong in-flight meals dito sa economy class ng Etihad Airlines. So ito ay ang chicken adobo. Yan, so masarap guys. Ito ay ating dinner. At may breakfast din tayo. Breakfast ba o later? So yan, dinner muna tayo guys. Let's eat! Hello guys, so nandito tayo sa Abu Dhabi Airport at tayo connecting flight to Athens, Greece. Hello guys, so nandito tayo sa Abu Dhabi Airport. So meron tayong layover dito na 7 hours. So punta muna tayo sa Pearl Lounge using our Security Bank Platinum Card Credit Card. Yan guys, so kakain tayo ng dinner, matutulog, magsha-shower, at window shopping dito guys. So let's go at stroll muna tayo dito guys. Guys, nandito tayo sa Pearl Lounge at stay tayo dito. Layover ng 7 hours. Yan. So matutulog muna tayo tapos na tayo kumain. Hello guys, so nandito tayo sa Pearl Lounge dito sa Abu Dhabi Airport, Zayed International Airport Terminal A ba to? Yan. So late dinner tayo, then matutulog, then shower. 3 hours na tayo dito. Hello guys, dito muna tayo matutulog sa sofa dito sa Pearl Lounge. So sulitin natin, idlip muna tayo. Guys, kagagaling natin ng Pearl Lounge at natulog tayo ng konti at hanap tayo ng shower. Shower na tayo. Yan. Hello guys, so gusto mag-shower. So may shower area dito sa Abu Dhabi Airport, Terminal A, dito sa Gate B. Yan. So may shower area dito. So nakapag-shower na tayo, freshen up. Hello guys, so pasyal-pasyal muna tayo dito sa Zayed International Airport dito sa Abu Dhabi. Explore natin ang airport before our flight going to Athens, Greece at 8 a.m. So ito guys, pasyal-pasyal muna. Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Abu Dhabi International Airport, Zayed International Airport dito sa Abu Dhabi. Terminal A, ito ang kanilang bagong airport. And lilipad tayo papuntang Athens, Greece. Yan, nandito na tayo sa B22. Antayin natin ang ating boarding dito sa papuntang Athens, Greece. It's a 5-hour flight, 5 hours flight. So see you later, mga 12:30 p.m. tayo darating, 12:50 p.m. Yun guys. So ito ang ating Balkans Tour 2025. So see you guys later. And ang ating first stop is the Athens, Greece. So marami tayong pupuntang countries. So, it's a fast-paced tour. So, orientation tour tayo and let's see kung makakayanan natin ang 18 days tour. So, yun guys. I'll see you guys later. Athens, Greece. Yeah. So, yan guys. So, nakaligo na tayo. So, nakaligo, naka-lounge, nakakain, nakakape. Yan. So, see you guys later in Athens, Greece. Let's go guys! Boarding na tayo. Papunta tayo ng Athens, Greece via Etihad Airlines. Let's go! Athens, Greece! Hello guys! Papunta na tayo ng Athens, Greece! Welcome to Athens na tayo guys! Welcome to my vlog! Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa Abu Dhabi to Athens, Greece via Etihad Airlines. It's a 4-hour-and-a-half flight. See you guys, Athens, Greece! Ang ating Balkan Explorer Tour po is nabook natin via Expat Explore Travel Company sa website. So, hindi tayo nagpa-assist sa travel agency sa Pinas. So, tayo po ang nag-book, DIY, pati po ang plane natin, DIY. Except yung visa natin, nagpa-assistance po tayo kasi malayo po tayo na dito sa Pravi. Po ay 18 days pero nag-advance tayo ng 1 day. Tapos yung ating flight na 2 days. So, 21 days po tayo. Ayan guys, pa-landing na tayo dito sa Athens, Greece. Nakikita na natin ang mga bundok at sa baba, yan, Athens, Greece. So yan, start na ng ating Expat Explore Travel Balkans 2025 biyaheng ni Doc Marky. So welcome to Athens, Greece guys. Guys, welcome to Europe. So, nandito na tayo sa Athens, Greece. And we'll go to immigration first. Welcome to Athens. So after immigration guys, kunin na natin ating baggage. Guys, welcome to Athens, Greece. Nandito na tayo sa ating second leg in Europe. So nandito na tayo guys. Nandito na tayo sa parking area. So yan ang ating sundo. Hello guys, so nandito na tayo sa Athens, Greece. Papunta na tayo sa ating hotel, sa Candia Hotel sa Athens, Greece City Center. story time tayo sa nangyari sa atin sa immigration border. Smooth naman, yun lang na second interview tayo dahil nga napagkamalan tayong seaman, at pag seaman pala is kailangan mas second interview. So na second interview tayo pero nakalagpas naman, sabi natin tourist tayo dahil hindi tayo seaman. So ayun, nakalagpas tayo sa immigration border at dito tayo sa city center sa Athens, Greece. Nag-avail pala tayo ng airport pick-up from Klook guys for only 2,500 pesos one way. So from airport to hotel. Yan guys. So pupunta na tayo sa Candia Hotel. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Candia Hotel. So kakarating lang natin dito. And nag-check out tayo ng 3 p.m. At ito po ang ating room. Yan. Ito ang Candia Hotel. Dito tayo naka-check-in for one night. Ito ay paid natin. So, single room po siya located at the 6th floor. So, meron naman po siyang amenities like bathroom. Meron tayong pangkape. Meron tayong table. And then, may ref din po tayo. And then, meron tayong veranda. So, dito sa veranda natin is nakikita po yung view sa labas. Yan guys, yung veranda natin. Pwede magkape-kape. Yan. Ito ang bathroom. So, okay naman ang bathroom. May shower, hot and cold, and bathtub. Hello guys. So, nakapag-check-in na tayo. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Candia Hotel. Dito sa Greece. Athens, Greece. Welcome to Athens, Greece. Yeah. Yan guys. Athens, Greece. So, raining kanina. Pero ngayon, sunny na. Guys, nandito tayo sa rooftop ng ating hotel at mag-vlog tayo. So, from here, nakikita dito yung Acropolis. Ayun, no? Yun. That's the Acropolis. Yeah. Wow! So, nandito tayo sa Candia Hotel. Dito sa Athens, Greece. Yun. So, yun guys. So, it's our first day today. At ang lamig pala. So, kailangan ko mag-jacket mamaya. Yan. Kailangan natin yung jacket. Yan. So, yun guys. So, hello guys. I'm Doc Marky. Welcome to my Southeastern Europe tour o the Balkan tour. Yan. Grabe yung Acropolis. Ayun na po. Yun. Acropolis. Guys, so may pool area din pala dito. Ito yung Candia Hotel. Yan. So, okay po pala kasi may rooftop pool din. Pwede mag-swimming kahit ganito ang weather natin, malamig. Actually guys, nag-advance tayo ng booking one day ahead kasi nga hindi ito kasali sa binayaran natin sa Via Expat Explore Joiners Tour kasi tayo. So meron tayong roommate from another day, from day 1 to day 18. So meron tayong roommate na same gender, Pinoy din, travel mate natin. So lahat ng countries na pupuntahan natin is may roommate po tayo. Hindi tayo nag-avail ng single supplement kasi mahal, $1,000 ang kanilang dagdag. Kaya yon. So okay lang din naman, kapwa Pinoy lang din naman kasama natin. So yun, enjoy lang natin ang moment dito sa ating travel. So guys, nandito tayo sa neighborhood ng hotel ko, Candia Hotel. Nandito tayo sa Athens, Greece. At yun, dawar muna, lakad-lakad muna, pasyal-pasyal muna tayo dito guys sa Athens, Greece. Guys, so galing tayo sa supermarket, tabi lang ng ating hotel. Bumili tayo ng tinapay tortini kasi wala tayong tinapay sa kwarto. Skyflakes lang ang dala natin. So, eto, nandito tayo sa simbahan. Tabi lang ito ng hotel natin. So, naglakad-lakad tayo. Yan. So, bumili tayo doon. At, yun. So, yun guys. So, hello guys. Welcome to Athens, Greece.
Few moments later. Day 2.
So hello guys, welcome to my day 2 here in Athens, Greece. At nandito tayo sa rooftop ng Candia Hotel. At welcome to Athens, Greece guys. I'm Dr. Marky and welcome to my Southeastern Europe tour o the Balkans travel vlog series 101. So first stop natin is Athens, Greece. So ngayon is day tour natin, food tour. Nag-avail tayo ng food tour, Athens food tour at ng Acropolis ayun, tour. So later guys, so hopefully hindi maulan at sakto and chill lang ang weather. So see you guys. So welcome to my Hello guys, may swimming pool pala dito. Ito ang swimming pool ng Candia Hotel. Dito sa Athens, Greece, kung saan tayo nag-stay ng 3 days, 2 nights dito sa Athens, Greece. Ito guys, ang kanilang swimming pool. Yan. Heated yan kasi malamig po dito. Yan guys. So, hello to Athens, Greece, to my travel vlog here in Southeastern Europe, Balkans, Series 101. Ito pala guys, ang elevator dito. Titulak. Yan. Pasok tayo. Yan ang elevator. Yan guys. Tayo sa baba. Kakain ng breakfast. So ito guys, ito ang kanilang breakfast. Buffet breakfast po tayo. So may pastries, fruits, Greek yogurt, especially syempre sa gusto. So may Greek yogurt, Greek salad, bugatsa, spinach pie. So medyo mapait yung spinach pie nila. So enjoy tayo. Na-meet pala natin kagabi yung mga travel mates natin by Expat Explore. So sila din yung mga kasama natin ngayon. So almost 70% po Pinoy po. So na-meet din natin yung ating roommate. So second day natin, day 2 kasi may roommate po tayo ngayon. So hanggang sa matapos po ang ating tour via Expat Explore. So ito yung mga kanilang pagkain dito. Masarap naman. First time natin tumikim ng Greek salad, pero hindi tayo kumakain ng salad. Yan, meron ding cornflakes, yan, pizza. Pizza ba yan? Spinach pie. Yan. So ito ay libre. Libre lahat to. So let's eat, guys. At damit natin sila Tita Vivian at yung Australian na kasama niya. So birthday pala ni Tita Vivian. So let's eat, guys. And start na ng tour natin.
Happy birthday!
So hello guys, start na ng ating walking tour via Expat Explore dito sa Athens, Greece. So let's go guys! So ang itinerary natin today is orientation tour, food tour, and the Acropolis. Guys, good morning. We are here outside of our hotel here in Candia Hotel. So nandito tayo sa ano na ba itong street na ito? Tesala. Yan, basta yan. Yan. So, tapos natin mag-breakfast. Okay naman yung breakfast natin. And yan guys, ito ang kanilang street. Ito, highway. Dito tayo sa Athens, Greece. So yan guys, it's raining outside. Tour tayo dito sa Greece nang umuulan. Malas-malas. So ayun guys, umulan na nga. So ganito pala ang peg ng Expat Explore. Walking tour tayo. Papunta tayo sa train station. Papunta dun sa ating destination. So yan, sasakay tayo ng train dito guys. So may binigay na libreng card para train card, metro card. So yan, so mag-ano tayo, lakad-lakad, walking tour. So ito guys, nandito na sa train station. So mag-aantay tayo ng train papuntang city center ng Athens, Greece para sa orientation tour. In the Metro Metallurgio train station. Yeah. Guys, so nandito tayo sa metro train ng Athens, Greece. So nag-try tayo ng train dito sa Acropolis from doon papunta doon sa sa hotel natin. Acropolis train station dito sa Athens, Greece. So palabas na tayo, orientation tour ito. So yun, nagpahuli tayo para makapag-vlog tayo dito. Okay, so akit na tayo. So ito ang Acropolis train station dito sa Athens, Greece with the Expat Explore Tour Group. So hindi lang tayo nasa bus. So sumasakay din tayo ng mga train at lalakad everywhere, every day. Weather forecast dito sa Athens. Umuulan po ngayon, October 2 to 2025. It's raining too hard here na naman sa Europe too.
This is the station for the Acropolis tour. Let's do the Acropolis tour, where you need to meet at for 4:15. Yep.
So guys, so nandito tayo sa orientation tour natin. Yan, umuulan. Hello guys, so kahit umuulan, so nandito tayo sa Plaka, dito sa center ng Athens, Greece. Ito ang city center nila. So orientation tour, kahit sobrang lakas ng ulan, so sige lang kasi bayad natin ito. So ito po ang Plaka, ang pinakasikat dito daw na street, shopping street and food street. Plaka. Pero umuulan po dito sa Athens, Greece. Did you know that Plaka is the oldest, most picturesque neighborhood in Athens, located directly beneath the Acropolis known as the neighborhood of the God? Dito pala tayo sa Plaka, guys. Plaka.
This area, this is the old town. So this dates back several thousand years. Like not the streets, don't. So a lot of souvenirs we bought later on. You all know the more famous souvenirs.
Plaka. Plaka. Yan tayo sa Plaka. Sirang Plaka. Guys, sinulan na naman tayo. So dito tayo sa Plaka. So paulan na naman tayo ngayon. It's our second time in Europe. It's second time around. Umuulan. So hello guys, we are here in Plaka now. Plaka, Sirang Plaka. So para tayo Sirang Plaka, no? So dito tayo. So orientation tour ito. And yun guys, so basang sisi tayo kasi umuulan. Talaga as in. Guys, so nandito tayo sa Plaka Square daw po. Ito, may church dyan, no? Yan. So, inuulan tayo, pero tuloy pa din. Go pa din tayo sa tour. Kasi bayad dito, mahal ito. Yan, guys. See you guys!
Very good up there. You've seen it already. Oh, very good.
So hello guys, sa sobrang lakas ng ulan, so nakat it short ang ating orientation city tour. So we will proceed now to our food tour or the Athens food tour. So let's go guys! So ito na guys ang ating Athens food tours. Pasali dito ang lunch natin. So ito ang ating tour guide sa ating Athens food tour. So ito ang ating Expat Explore group na nag-avail ng Athens food tour ngayon. So let's enjoy and nag-explain si ating tour guide. So enjoy lang.
Not where the good food is. We are going to go a little way further up here and we will see derelict buildings and graffiti and retired gentlemen drinking an ouzo. Are we going to drink an ouzo today?
Yes!
Yeah. Does everyone know what ouzo is? So what you're signing up for here?
We are clearing the food tour. Food na tayo.
We have some paper, please. So, I have
First natin is the food tour.
why do you call it,
Paano po, ka?
why do you call it leafless? Because it's very thick.
Hello.
Okay. And guys, there is absolutely no butter in this pastry. And no cheese.
Yung food tour natin. Bugasa daw to. Bugasa. It's from... siyang dessert siya. Dessert siya. Bugasa.
Pizza. What makes the beef as pizza is like an empty. That's it works. That's a big letter, alpha, exactly.
Yan guys, so start tayo ng food tour with the appetizer ba yun? Na meron tayong bread, pastry. So punta tayo sa next na tour. Guys, so nandito tayo sa olive oil store. Titikman tayo ng olive oil. So, ma-oily na face natin, olive oil pantitikman natin. So, game guys, game. So, titikman tayo.
In the same street. There is a street opposite us with about 18 shops.
Did you know that olive oil is often called liquid gold? Is fundamental in Athenian culture, representing a sacred, historical, and nutritional cornerstone. It was considered sacred, symbolizing purity and longevity.
Well, for buying some of it actually. And we use it for everything. Absolutely everything.
So ito na guys, iinom tayo ng fresh na olive oil. So ito, kasali sa ating food tour.
Fermented taste. We pick the olives when they are turning from green to black. At that stage, they're a little bit bitter.
And next, ang pinakihintay natin ang lunch. Pero first and foremost, iinom tayo ng uzo. Uzo yung vodka po nila yata, alcoholic drink.
What I say is a little bit of magic and a little bit of chemistry. It's the star anise that is the number one drink we have here in Greece. We don't have it as a shot, as a first sip, but the more the ice is melting, my friends, the more you're gonna like it. This ouzo is also distilled with lemon.
This is also lasang bilog.
Who's having ouzo here?
Lasang bilog.
Coming from Greek salad for every table, okay? So just move this in. Mix it all.
There are lots of dishes coming, my friends.
The big middle, my friends, everybody's gonna get the same things with a very mild spicy melody.
Not so zucchini fritters, guys. Oh, we forget this. Zucchini.
Are you guys happy for me to squeeze the lemon on top of it?
Yes, sir. Fresh. Very fresh. Cold and salty. What I mean by that is an espresso, the water passes through the bean, but can never actually heat up the bean. You can
Drink yogurt with honey.
Greek yogurt with mango.
guys, there's a twist in June. Number 3. 1, 2, 3.
It looks like it's an expert.
Tapos sa food tour natin at ang overview ng Greek food is natikman natin yan. Yan guys, makasama natin sa tour at umaaraw na and we will go to Acropolis na. Kami kumain.
Few moments later.
We are here in Piraeus. Yan. Papunta tayo ng Acropolis. So we are here in the train station. Sakay na naman tayo ng train. Kaya tayo ng train, guys. So, papunta tayo ng Acropolis na sa Parthenon pala. Acropolis, guys. So, train station, guys, ng Athens, Greece. Yeah.
Then drop there. Gonna be like 7 o'clock.
Dito tayo sa Plaka at aakyat tayo ng Acropolis. Hopefully, hindi siya ganun ka rainy. Yeah. So, hindi tayo ng mga souvenir guys. Souvenirs yan. Poultry. Papunta na tayo ng Acropolis, guys. Hello po. Pang-vlog din po. Hello po. Wow, success po tayo. Hindi umulan. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Acropolis yan. Guys. So, welcome to Acropolis. Hindi umuulan. Ang galing. Yan. Did you know the Acropolis of Athens is one of the most famous ancient archaeological sites in the world? Located on a limestone hill high above Athens, Greece, the Acropolis has been inhabited since prehistoric times. It is a cultural UNESCO World Heritage Site, home of the several temples, the most famous of which is the Parthenon.
And some words about the studio also. This segment is a string to the slate. This other country is a string to the slate. It's not the coordinate. And that are the snakes of the cats.
Did you know that the Theater of Herodes Atticus, also known as the Odeon, is a Greco-Roman theater built in 161 AD? It is named after an affluent Greek-born Roman senator Herodes Atticus, who constructed in commemoration of his wife Brigida. Theater. Acropolis Theater po. Wow po, ganda po. Yan.
I got one.
Ikaw Mami, halo. Kumakaura ka ha.
Ngayon single ako.
Welcome to Acropolis, guys.
The reason why this city is required is because all Genies
Guys, welcome to Acropolis. I'm here in my Doc Market travel vlog here in Athens. Yan mga kasama natin. Welcome guys to Acropolis here in Athens, Greece. Yan, here's my travel vlog here. Yan.
contest. Otherwise,
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. It's your birthday gift. The Acropolis.
Another bird Acropolis.
Acropolis.
Awesome. Celebrating my birthday.
Hello guys, welcome to Acropolis. So, it's my first time here in Athens, Greece. Kasama ang Expat Explore. Yan guys. Hello guys. Hello guys tayo guys. Yan. So, I'm here in Acropolis. So, balik na tayo sa ating pinanggalingan. Guys.
yay.
Nice. Nice one. So, mag-picture-picture na tayo. And ready to go down. Yeah. Go down na po tayo. Hey guys, ongoing ginagawa siya. Yeah. So, not too much people here in Acropolis, Athens, Greece. At ang ganda guys. Yeah. So, tingnan natin ang history. Ganda history.
Nice camera.
Yeah, nice.
How does it,
Fine. Good.
what is it called?
It's Osmo Pocket 2.
What?
Osmo Pocket, yeah, Pocket 2.
Osmo.
Yeah, you can search in the Google. So you can have one. Picture lang ko. Welcome guys here in Greece. Yeah, Athens, Greece tayo dito sa Acropolis. That's the Acropolis guys. So welcome to Athens, Greece. So this is the best place I ever seen. Hindi siya matutumbasan ng camera kasi it's very beautiful. Yan nyo. Yeah.
Oh, in 1867.
Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda niya. Tita, hello po. Hello to my vlog. Opo. Mabuti po. May bagyo po ngayon. Binabagyo po yung lugar po namin. Opo, sa Isabela.
Isabela.
Santiago po.
Santiago.
May ongoing bagyo po.
Dalawa.
Pa?
Toro kayong dalawa.
Ano po, solo traveler po. Kita po dito.
Ayan.
Kita po kami dito, tita.
Ganda dyan. So, diretso kayo.
Opo, diretso. Hello guys, yan. Daming tao.
The rainy water that comes from the houses, and through pipes and tubes we're sending the water in the water tank. And this is how we solve the problem with the waters in the island.
So, flag retreat na magko-close na kasi, kaya yan. So, papalabasin na tayo
Main
dito.
canopy sea, population canopy. So people decide to go down over here, they make their houses on the base, exactly where we start. This is exactly the moment of only temples after. This military service is mandatory. We all go to the army at 18 years old. Only if you successfully enter to the university. You can have it for some years, but then you have to serve normally like all the rest. And military services nowadays is 12 months. Before it was 3 years. So, follow me. was the top of the hill of
Okay.
If you look so this is why the only place with water was here. And generally all around Greece we have a huge problem with the water. For example, if you go to the islands of Cyclades like Mykonos, Santorini, you will notice that the roofs of the houses are not like triangles like in the rest of the world. No?
So our next stop, guys, is the Roman Agora here in the city of Athens. Did you know that the Roman Agora, Roman Forum in Athens, is an ancient open-air marketplace constructed between 19 and 11 BC with funds from Julius Caesar and Augustus situated near Monastiriki? Welcome to my travel vlog here in Athens, Greece. Tingin tayo ng mga pasalubong. Hindi mo akalain to, kanina umuulan.
Few inches later.
So after ng whole day natin ng city tour ng Athens, so it's time to our Expats Explore dinner time. So hindi na ako nakapagpa-picture guys dito sa kainan kasi gutom na kami. So ito ang main course namin, moussaka, Greek beef eggplant lasagna. 1, 2, 3. No guys, kakatapos na ng ating tour dito sa Athens at papunta na tayo ng ating hotel, guys.